Hello, welcome to Crystal's Bread. Today is day 2 of my sourdough starter tutorials. So we're gonna look at the sourdough starter that we did yesterday. This is second day. I have two different ways of measuring the ingredients. I have metric and I used a measuring cup. Just want to show you. Yesterday when we started, it was some more in the bottom. Obviously it looks like it's almost doubled, and then there's some air pockets you can see, and if you look from the top, there's a lot of action going on. And I already tried to smell it, but you don't smell a real soury smell, which indicates that it's ready to use to make a bread, but it's not there yet. But definitely some action going on, which I'm very pleased. This never happened to me in the past. Luckily, maybe because room has been so warm, it was on the windowsill, maybe sun was on it, that's why the activity was going on quite fast. So today we're gonna add same amount of flour, same amount of water. I pre-measured 50 grams of water. I'm gonna add to it, and I pre-measured 50 grams of flour. So I'm gonna add this here. And you can hear these bubbles are cracking. Okay, I'm gonna use my spoon. There's some smell to it, but it's not strong. So same way we mixed yesterday, just incorporate all the liquid and dry ingredients together. So it's gonna stay there another 24 hours, and eventually we will have to throw away the half of our starter, because it's gonna fill this little tiny jar. So for today, this is how it looks like after you mix it. It's just a more than yesterday. Okay, so I also measured dry ingredients by cup, so we will do that. And now I just want to show you. So that's how it looks like for the moment now. Okay, so that's for the metric one, and I measured a quarter cup of water already. I'm gonna add to the, before I mix it up. Let me put this slightly at the top. If I can find my kitchen knife, somebody must have used it. All right. Okay, here goes the flour. Okay, I hear those bubble sound. So the consistency is pretty much the same. So it was quarter cup of water, 1/4, and 1/3 of flour. So it looks like this. It's a little thick. Okay, so we're gonna wait another 24 hours and see what's gonna happen. I'm just gonna leave it the same place that was before, on my kitchen window. And then and just put the top slightly, so don't like seal it tight, so there's gonna be some air movement going on to feed the yeast bacteria. So I'm gonna just leave it like that, and we'll come back to that tomorrow. Thank you. Thank you. We'll see you tomorrow.